Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I know. It's been a long time, but here we are back again. So today, yeah, the title is correct. I'm gonna make a game only in 1 hour. So sit back and relax and enjoy the show. So today's theme is horror game. Before we do anything, we need to set the timer. We need some kind of idea to make a game out of. What if we go with a classic, fix the generator all type game? I know that's the best idea you ever heard, but the game has a little twist. The monster is straight from Nico's Next Bots. I know, right? Guys, with that being said, let's get to planning this game. So first we need the classic horror lighting, and we would need a monster which is a PNG image. Next, we will need a map, and lastly, we need the generators to turn on. That should be it. I think we better start. So first I made the classic horror-looking lighting. We need to change some of this and steal. Borrow a skybox, and we should be good to go. Every horror game nowadays is in first person, so I added exactly that. Looks a little bit like a horror game now. All right, now we have the lighting. So next we have to make the map. We can't have this base plate as our map. You know, I'm gonna put some random stuff to a forest and call it a map. So that's the plan, guys. Let's get to it.
1 hour later.
So I have returned some off-camera map making later. I borrowed some trees and put them randomly until it looked like a forest. Next, I put this sakura tree in the middle to make it more like anime. Ahem. And I've added some random stuff here and there. Now that we have a map, half of my time has gone wasted to this map. Let's get some features to the game, like running, and some stamina bar. I found this free model, I borrowed that as well. It works like a charm. God bless whoever made this free model. And also, I added a flashlight. Without a flashlight. Horror game won't be a horror game, you know. All right, with that being done, this is how the game looks right now. This looks like a cool horror game, I guess. Let me know how this looks like in the comments. Down below, I added some scary PNG image to the game, as you can see, but the monster can't move yet.
One hour later.
I had some pre-made enemy AI script. I added that to the game. It works now, and every good horror game needs sound effects. Of course, I added some sound to the monster. When you get near the monster, which is a PNG image, he will follow you and damage you. Now our third objective has been completed. Now we need some kind of objective. I'm just realizing this. We only have 10 minutes left. Holy cow! I started speed running the generators, all right? See you after I'm done with that. So guys, I think we have about 5 minutes left. I made the generators work. Now, we have to polish the game so it doesn't bug out on release. All right, enough yapping. let's get to work. Pause. Before the video starts, I need to thanks to my Patreon members. These are absolute legends. And of course, if you want to help with the channel and the video making process, please consider joining my Patreon. All right. With that being said, let's get into the video. So first, I started by placing down the generators in random places. I made some changes to the monster script so the game can be more difficult. I made him see further ahead and made him faster. Also, I changed up the sprint guy. Just like that, the time was up. So guys, I think this game turned out better than I thought. So you know what time it is. It's time to get some feedback. Let's go to Discord and ask for some honest feedback from my viewers.
Thank you.